Friends, today we are going to discuss about most common preventable cause of death today in the world. What it is? Can anyone guess? It is none other than smoking. Today we will know about the effects of smoking on our body. No matter how you smoke it, tobacco is dangerous to your health. There are no safe substances in any tobacco products, from acetone and tar to nicotine and carbon monoxide. The substances you inhale don't just affect your lungs, they can affect your entire body. Smoking can lead to a variety of ongoing complications in our body, as well as long-term effects on your body systems. Well, smoking can increase your risk of a variety of problems over several years. Some of the bodily effects are immediate. More about the symptoms and overall effects of smoking on the body are as follows. There are almost 26 effects of smoking on our body. They are mood stimulation. Smoking can temporarily put you in a good mood, but dependence is common and withdrawal side effects like anxiety and irritability can be challenging to manage. The second one is anxiety and irritability. You might find yourself a bit on edge if you miss your cigarette break. Nicotine withdrawal is responsible for these symptoms. Then third one is smelly hair. Tobacco smoke can stick to your clothes and hair. In fact, just being around second-hand smoke can make your hair and clothes smell. Then the fourth one is unhealthy teeth. Yellowish or brownish stains on the teeth are telltale signs of long-term smoking. Smoking also increases your risk for infections or inflammations that can lead to tooth and bone loss. Then the fifth one is bronchitis. Smokers have a high rate of bronchitis. Secondhand smoking can also increase the risk for bronchitis, especially in children. Other respiratory problems such as tuberculosis and pneumonia may worsen by smoking. Then persistent coughing. You know the infamous term smoker's cough. This is where it comes from. Damage to the airways contribute to this cough. Due to the damage of your airways only, smoker's cough is coming. Then comes heart disease. Smoking is one of the well-proven lifestyle habits that contribute to heart diseases. Both people who smoke and those who are regularly exposed to second-hand smoke are at risk of heart attacks. Now comes high cholesterol. Tobacco smoke lowers your HDL. HDL means good cholesterol and increases your LDL, bad cholesterol. It also raises total cholesterol and triglycerides, which are fats in your blood. Then, smoking can affect immune system. Smoking lowers your immune system's ability to fight off infection. Smokers have more infections of the respiratory tract than people who don't smoke. Infertility. Both men and women who smoke are more likely to experience short and long-term fertility issues than people who don't smoke. Erectile dysfunction. An erection requires adequate blood flow, but smoking can constrict your blood vessels and make this process more difficult. One more, diabetic complications. Type 2 diabetes tends to progress more rapidly in people who smoke because smoking increases the amount of insulin resistance in the body. If you have diabetes and smoke, you are also at the risk for other complications such as kidney problems, eye problems, and heart attack. Then, blood clotting. Smoking can increase clotting throughout your body. Blood clots increase the risk of heart damage, stroke, and pulmonary embolism, a blood clot in the lungs. Then some other problems. Early menopause. Female smokers tend to enter menopause earlier than non-smokers. Smoking has also been shown to increase hot flashes. Then comes poor vision. Smoking can cause future vision problems and increase the risk of eye problems like glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataracts. Then, dull sense of smell and taste. Your sense of smell and taste can be dulled by smoking, which can decrease your appetite. Then, lung cancer. Smoking puts you at a significantly higher risk of developing lung cancer. Lung cancer is the most common cause of death due to smoking. It's also most common cause of cancer death in both men and women. Constricted blood vessels. Nicotine causes blood vessels to tighten and restrict blood flow, which increases your risk for high blood pressure, stroke, and heart attack. COPD. COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. This is more common in smokers. In fact, 8 out of 10 cases of COPD are due to smoking. Your asthma symptoms can worsen as well. Loss of appetite. Smoking can suppress your appetite by decreasing your sense of taste. This can make eating less enjoyable. Once you stop smoking, you will be more likely to taste your food fully again. Then our fingers also gets affected. Yellow fingers. Handling tobacco products can stain your fingers and fingernails, turning them yellow. Then cervical cancer. The risk for developing cervical cancer is increased in women who smoke. Wrinkly skin. Substances in cigarettes can cause dry skin and premature aging. Reduced blood flow also causes your skin to get less nutrition. Problems with pregnancy and newborns. Smoking during pregnancy can increase the risk for miscarriage, asthma, ear infections, and death in your newborn. It also puts the baby at the risk for oxygen deprivation, growth problems, physical deformities, and sudden infant death syndrome. Then cancer connection. Smoking related cancers can occur anywhere in the body. People who smoke have a higher rate of certain cancers, including cancers of the mouth, throat, bladder, and kidneys. The last but not the least, increased risk of blood cancer. When compared with the people who don't smoke, people who do smoke have an increased risk of blood cancer such as leukemia. Tobacco smoke is incredibly harmful to your health. There's no safe way to smoke. Replacing your cigarette with cigar, pipe, or hookah won't help to avoid your health risk. Cigarette contains about 600 ingredients, many of which can also be found in cigars and hookah. When these ingredients burn, they generate more than 7,000 chemicals, according to American Lung Association. Many of those chemicals are poisonous, and at least 69 of them are linked to cancer. In United States, the mortality rate for smokers is 3 times that of the people who never smoked. This smoking is the most common preventable cause of death. That means the effects of smoking can be reversed if you quit smoking. This is a good news, isn't it? The good news is that the quitting smoking can reverse many effects. Yeah, today we have known about the worst conditions caused by the smoking. So, people, please try to avoid smoking. That's all for today. We'll discuss in the next videos about the causes and how to quit smoking and all. Okay, thank you.